Hello everybody, I'm Alex Davidson from the Hobby Quest, and today I'm going to be showing you the secret word trick. So, for this trick, I have a whole bunch of things on this paper. It's a pack of cards, a car, a tree, a pen, a bicycle, a chicken, a zebra, plane, chair, and ship. Those are all the things listed on this piece of paper, and what I'm going to ask you to do is I'm going to ask you to choose a number between 1 and 10. You're going to look at the number on the sheet, and then you're going to read it off and just try to remember that, okay? So you have your number in your head? Okay, so I'm going to show you the sheet. I need you to read whatever is next to that number. Okay, so I have a couple of questions for you. I'm going to see if I can try to figure out which item you chose. First question, does your item have wings? Yes. Okay. Let me think. Can your item fly? Okay. Okay. Last question. Does your item lay eggs? Okay, I thought so. I think you chose a chicken. Now, half of you watching this video will be very impressed, and the other half of you will not be very impressed. Let me show you the reason why. So, on this sheet, I have a bunch of things written on it from 1 to 10. Now, it actually switches back and forth between a plane and a chicken. If you look very closely, they're all written slightly differently, written in different fonts. It's all going to be slightly different. That way, your eye doesn't just wander to different ones. Now, of course, I couldn't hear the answer through the video from the last question of does it lay eggs? That's the actual question that tells me which one you chose. All of those other things that I listed are actually right here at the bottom of the page. One thing that's important is that when you're telling the kids how to do this and you're telling them how to do everything, don't let them do this. I've seen this happen before where they'll actually start listing them off. Pack of cards, car, tree, pen. Do you see what I'm doing with my hand on the bottom? I'm going through the bottom list. I don't want people to know that that list is there. Instead, what I'm doing is I'm reading from there as I thumb through these. And that kind of gives the illusion that I'm actually going through a whole list on there. So you ask them the first question, does it have wings? The answer is going to be yes. Everything on this list has wings. They're all either a plane or a chicken. The second question is, does it fly? Now, some people say that a chicken can fly, some people say it can't. Doesn't really matter. It's just kind of something to give them an idea that you're trying to figure out what their item is. And then the last question, does it lay eggs? If the answer is yes, then of course the answer is a chicken. If the answer is no, then the answer is of course an airplane. And that's how the secret word trick works. There's one thing I'd like to show you additionally, just on top of all this. When you get this in the package, you'll also get this card with it that says secret word trick. It has a QR code on it. This is going to bring you to this video, and it also has a set of instructions for how to perform it. So you and the kids are all going to get this, so this is how you can refer back to it if you ever wonder, like, oh, how did that part work or anything like that. You always have this on hand. So that is the secret word trick.